Let's talk about 6 reasons why crypto is not going into a bear market. Welcome back to the Blockchain Brew. I'm your host, Trent. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the most hydrated crypto community on YouTube. So guys, reason number 1 is that the fear and greed index is down below 15. The last, some historical markers when fear was this low was not cycle tops. This is not what a cycle top looks like. Fear approached levels of 10 to 15 at the end of the bear market in 2022. It approached those levels during the May crash of 2021. It approached those levels April of this year as Bitcoin fell to 74K. Guys, reason number 2 that we are not going into a bear market is that we have hidden bullish divergence from April to November of this year. From April to November, we have a swing up on price with a swing down on the RSI, a swing down on fear and greed index, a swing down on the MACD. And so what that tells you is a continuation of a macro uptrend. That as the RSI has gone lower than April, what is it going to take to send the price lower? The price has maintained a higher high. So the sentiment is absolute garbage right now. The sentiment has not been worse. And part of the reason for that is not because the price has tanked. It's because our time horizons have been weighted out by the market. Our time horizons have been extended. Our time horizons have been pushed to their limits. Our patience level has worn thin. And so the sentiment has never been worse. But guys, how much worse sentiment needs to come into the market to actually send the price lower? How much more fear has to come into the market to send the price lower? A war with Venezuela that Russia steps into, literally World War III. Like, what has to happen? The fact that price is maintaining a significantly higher high from April as RSI has gone lower, that is hidden bullish divergence. It tells you that we will continue the uptrend from $74,000 to $126,000. It tells you that uptrend is not broken. Yes, we are in a local downtrend, but it tells you that previous uptrend is going to resume. Reason number 3, guys, the Clarity Act. The market structure bill has not been passed yet. Reason number 4, the U.S. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Guys, the U.S. has not purchased Bitcoin yet. That is something that will send shockwaves through the market, through retail and institutions alike. Reason number 5 that we are not going into a bear market is altcoin ETF volume. Sure, we've seen Solana and XRP and Litecoin and HBAR pass ETFs, but guys, there are many more altcoin ETFs to come. Shout out Cardano community. And guys, the real deal here is the altcoin ETF volume. Guys, when this floods the market, it's another major bullish catalyst for 2026. And guys, finally, reason number 6, we are not going into a bear market, is that the Federal Reserve is at the cusp of making the shift from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing, loosening the monetary policy and injecting liquidity into the economy and into the markets. Powell will be stepping down in 2026. His term will end. And guys, honestly, everything from the government shutdown to, the SEC, a bullish SEC kicking the can down the road on ETFs, to the Clarity Act dragging its feet. Guys, all of these things seem like they're strategically being pushed down the road to coincide with the changing of the guard at the head of the chair of the Federal Reserve. So, guys, we're not only are we not going into a bear market, I mean, the markets are changing, the crypto cycle is changing, and in a way, 2025 was the bear market. Guys, altcoins have gotten crushed. And Bitcoin, from November, December of last year to right now, Bitcoin is, or even the yearly open to right now, Bitcoin has given up all of its gains for the year. So, guys, 2025 probably was the bear market. Thanks for tuning back into the Blockchain Brew. Cheers.